Hi, this is Morgan with Steel Ford Lincoln, and this is your next vehicle. With the unmistakable Bronco design, this 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks is adventure ready. On the exterior of this model, we do have the eruption green metallic exterior with that shadow black contrast roof. You do have quite a bit of cargo space in the boot, and of course you do have that bottle opener mounted right here. The Bronco Sport tailgate does have a dual access option, so you can open it up traditionally, much like this, or you can just crack open the top glass portion. On the inside here, you're going to find the ebony roast interior, which is quite lovely. It goes very, very well with that eruption green metallic on the outside. Under the hood of this vehicle, you will find the 1.5-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine with the 8-speed automatic transmission, which gets you about 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Up here, you'll find the classic bucking Bronco embossed in those front seats. Because this vehicle has the Outer Banks technology package installed, you're also going to have access to the 360 camera, front parking sensors, and Ford Copilot 360 Assist 2.0. To ensure you get the most out of your Ford Bronco Sport, you can toggle between several different terrain modes available using the GOAT mode style found in the center console. If you have any questions about this or any of our other inventory, please swing by Steel Ford Lincoln, as we are happy to help.